Welcome to Wiki, where we guide you through the best ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom.
In today's video, we'll be discussing how to invest your money and earn daily. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, having a strategy for daily income can give you financial security. By following the right approach, you can create a reliable stream of income that grows over time. Stay tuned as we reveal proven investment strategies that could help you earn money every day. 1. The power of daily earning investments. Investing isn't just about long-term gains, it can also be about creating daily income. When you have investments that pay you regularly, you gain financial stability and freedom. But how do you achieve this? The key is to diversify your investments and choose options that provide daily or regular payouts. Let's explore the best strategies for achieving this. 2. Dividend stocks, earn as you own. Dividend stocks are one of the easiest ways to generate a steady income. Companies that pay dividends distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, usually every quarter, but some even pay out monthly. While dividends aren't daily, consistent monthly or quarterly payments can help you budget for daily needs. Plus, by reinvesting dividends, you can grow your wealth faster. Here's what you need to do: pick stable companies, choose well-established companies with a history of regular dividend payments. Reinvest dividends, consider reinvesting your dividends to compound your returns. Diversify, spread your investments across various sectors to minimize risk. Pro tip: look for high dividend yield stocks that provide a higher return compared to other options. But remember, higher yields often come with higher risk, so research carefully. 3. Real estate, turn property into profit. Real estate is another popular way to earn daily or monthly income. Owning a rental property can provide you with a steady stream of cash flow every month. But what about daily income? Here's how you can generate daily earnings from real estate: short-term rentals, Airbnb. Renting out properties on a daily or weekly basis can be a great way to earn frequent income. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you don't want the hassle of managing a property, invest in REITs. They pay out dividends from rental income generated by commercial properties. Flipping properties. While this is a more hands-on approach, flipping homes and selling them for profit can create significant returns, although it's not a daily income source. Pro tip: to earn consistently from real estate, focus on areas with high demand for rentals and ensure that your properties are always occupied. 4. Peer-to-peer lending, a digital income source. Peer-to-peer lending, P2P, is a relatively new but powerful way to earn daily. P2P platforms allow you to lend money directly to borrowers and earn interest on these loans. This is how it works: choose a reliable platform, look for established P2P lending platforms that have a good track record. Start small, begin with a small amount to minimize risk and test how the platform works. Diversify your loans, spread your loans across multiple borrowers to reduce the chance of default. By lending money to multiple borrowers, you can receive small amounts of interest daily. Over time, this can add up to significant earnings. Pro tip: some platforms even offer automated investing, allowing you to maximize returns with minimal effort. 5. High-interest savings accounts, low-risk, daily interest. For those looking for low-risk investments, high-interest savings accounts or money market accounts can provide daily interest. While the returns aren't as high as other investments, the advantage is stability. Here's how to get the most out of these accounts. Choose the right bank. Some online banks offer much higher interest rates compared to traditional banks. No fees. Make sure the account doesn't charge high maintenance fees, which can eat into your returns. Compound interest. Look for accounts that offer daily compounding of interest to maximize your earnings. While these won't make you rich quickly, it's a safe way to ensure your money grows every day. 6. Day trading, high risk, high reward. For those willing to take on higher risk, day trading can provide daily income. However, it's important to note that day trading requires significant skill, knowledge, and attention. Here's what you need to succeed: study the market. Successful day traders spend hours analyzing trends, market patterns, and news. Risk management: set strict limits on your trades to avoid significant losses. Start small. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase as you gain experience. While the potential for daily profits is high, so is the risk. Only consider this option if you're prepared for the possibility of losing your capital. Now that you've seen several ways to invest your money and earn daily, it's time to take action. Whether you choose dividend stocks, real estate, peer-to-peer lending, or another method, consistency is key. Remember, building wealth takes time, so choose the strategy that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Be sure to subscribe to Wiki for more tips on financial freedom and smart investing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more wealth building tips.